a new group of people called Sakana AI are claiming that they've invented a new AI scientist. So the idea is that you can tell it, come up with your own LLM ideas and then do the research and then write the paper and then publish the paper, and then you can go use that somewhere else. And they want to charge $15. So I want to give my insights about this. So let's get started. So here's their paper. They go through what they did, and what they propose is a fully AI-driven system for automated scientific discovery applied to machine learning research, and it'll do the whole entire life cycle of the research with novel ideas. This is a big problem, which I'll explain afterwards. And then they did a sample of this here, and then here they gave example, and then they showed how they would do it. So the LLM will come up with the idea, then they'll do a novel check, and then they'll score the idea, and then they have a template, and then they would use an LLM with Aider. Aider is one of the coding agents, and then they would run it and then update the plan and then plot it and then write the paper. So that's kind of what they propose here. So from doing a lot of AI projects and doing a lot of more complicated projects with reasoning, I think what they're claiming is never going to work. Okay, so let me give you a few examples. So one, they're overstating the capabilities. So one thing is they're claiming for full automation. I think realistically, maybe like if we were to do this process properly, maybe like the scientists would just use to generate ideas and then tweak the ideas and then maybe have the AI code it. But the problem is the AI is developed on existing data. It's not good at making new ideas, right? It's not going to invent a new methodology, but that's what they're claiming, right? So I think that's going to be a huge flaw. The AI right now still struggles with like very contextual understanding, especially if there's very deep logic or needs to be of like very intense creativity. And when we're doing scientific research, we're not talking about tell me a brand or tell me a color and choose something like that. Like that is still within the reasoning of existing data. When we're saying creativity, it's like invent the transformer architecture, or like it's just not going to work very well. The AI is not good at human-like creativity innovations, right? All we're doing is recycling old data and existing ideas and then just keep recycling. By having this, some people might believe it and they use it, they're going to flood the whole market with all these poor quality papers. And then like, if people start accepting this stuff, we might get very low quality research in the future. And another thing is, what I know is that in general, the AI is really bad with visuals. So if I go visualize this graphic and understand what happened, it's still not very good at it, and it will make a lot of mistakes. Overall, like I think this is an exaggerated claim. I don't think it's going to go anywhere because of many reasons I discussed. So like one, it's not good at creativity. It's not good at very good deep reasoning. It's not good at reading graphs. And we're basically working with an LLM that's on existing data. There's no new innovation that can come from existing data without like some out of the box thinking, and the AI is really bad at it right now.